Here's how to use a pulsating massage gun on your own neck and shoulders. Where to focus, the areas to avoid when it's a bad idea to be using it at all, and some important tips. So let's go. These massage guns can be great if you feel stiff and tight in your shoulders, but don't use them if your neck is painful, particularly sharply painful, because they can increase inflammation. The vibration increases blood flow, which is great for muscles, but that extra blood and fluid can increase inflammation. Here's a basic test you can do to see if your neck is inflamed. If you extend your neck and it hurts, or you tilt your neck to the side and it hurts on the same side that you bend to, you have inflamed spinal joints. In both these cases, you're better off icing your neck to decrease the inflammation, not using a massage machine, as it could make the pain worse. Never use the massage gun on the side or the front of your neck because there's all kinds of nerves, sensitive arteries, and blood pressure sensors there. Avoid bones too. Don't use it over the AC joint, the spinous processes of the vertebra, or the bony ridge of your shoulder blade. I'd recommend keeping to the lower part of your neck too, because using the massager in the upper part of the neck tends to cause too much head vibration. The most important place to focus on is here, because this is where the knots tend to form in the neck and shoulders. Using the massager on this neck zone can also loosen restricted spinal joints and rib joints, which is very handy because joint restriction is a very common cause of shoulder tension. But in general, work this whole area to cover all the important muscles. Tips. I find the foam ball the best for the neck and shoulder area. If you're more sensitive though, you can use the hollow head because this will dampen the vibration a bit. To lighten the effect, you can reduce the speed, but you can also use the foam ball on the side. Don't press too hard, just the weight of the machine is usually enough. Keep your head and chin up, not forward. This will soften the muscles so it doesn't vibrate your brain too much. Use your opposite hand so that the side that you're working on is relaxed. Or support your elbow with your opposite hand, which is the way I prefer to do it. The first time you use a pulsating massager in an area, just use it for 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side, just in case it's more inflamed than you think, or your head is sensitive to the vibration. The next day you can increase the time to a few minutes on each side if you want. The speed settings are pretty much up to you. These massage guns can get a little bit loud sometimes, so make sure you check out the decibel rating before you buy. This one's rated at 42 decibels and I wouldn't recommend going much past that. Also, try to get a massage gun with a long handle because if you're reaching right around and doing it on yourself, it can really help. Now, don't forget to avoid the 4 main causes of neck and shoulder stiffness in the first place. And be aware that poor posture can cause a lot of shoulder tightness. So I have videos on the 4 causes and posture, and I'll put them in the description below. But that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Have fun.